Hey, what's happening? It's your boy Mike Williams, MikeWilliamsPro.com. Shoot this quick video to show you how to make anywhere from $100 to $300 a day. What I'm going to show you in just a few minutes is how I was able to accumulate $100 a day. Very simplistic. One sale, $100, just like that. Work up to $100. And I'll show you how I was been able to do it on a complete autopilot.
Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing.
Over 10 years ago, I was broke, busted, and disgusted, and I was looking for a very simplistic way to make some extra income. I ran to the internet, Google, what most people do. Found a couple of cool websites that showed me some information, and I had nothing to lose. I said, you know what, let me try to make this happen. And I did, and I've been on this journey ever since. Over 10 years, and I've been on this journey. And I'm showing you how to make a very simple $100 to $300 a day. You can actually make a lot more than that once your skill set develops, okay? With the arena of affiliate marketing. So what I'm gonna show you, I'm just literally go into my computer, show you a quick screenshot. What I've been able to do is utilize text message marketing. Text message marketing, right? We open our text messages a lot more than we open our emails. So I found a way to find some data, text message data, of people who've already raised their hands and said, hey, I'm interested in learning how to work from home. I'm interested in affiliate marketing. So there's all this data out there. You can literally purchase this data. You can send these individuals a message who already requested information on how to work from home. You can send them information on whatever products, programs, and services that you may have. And if you don't have a product, program, or service, right below this video, there's a free webinar that shows you how I'm able to do affiliate marketing in a cool way, crush it, right? And then if you've already seen that webinar, there's also another link where you can go ahead and get started and work with me hand in hand, okay? With the company that I'm currently growing at the moment. But anyway, I took all this data, I started sending text messages with a software. So literally at a click of a button, I was able to send out thousands of text messages. And literally over the course of a few days, I was getting all these different sales coming in from individuals who already raised their hand and said they're interested in how to work from home. So one of the best things to build an affiliate marketing business is all about exposure. Once you have a product, program, or service that's awesome, then you gotta focus on getting tons of exposure, and the more exposure you get to the right people, you're able to create income on demand. Literally at clicks of a button, you can wake up, click a button, or you can, before you go to bed, you can time it to send out your messages at a specific time, and throughout the day, literally you'll get all these different sales and notifications and people who are interested in learning more about your product, program, and service. So right now, let's go over to the computer, and I want you guys to check it out.
So there it is at 6:24 p.m. It's December 14th, actually, 2018. And we're going to scroll right down here inside my PayPal account, gross account 101. We'll be able to create $101. And the same person actually purchased another program that's residual income. So he's on a $1 trial, but then afterwards it's like $97 a month or something like that, right? And they're all e-learning products because tons of people want to learn all about these different things. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll up here. I'm trying to avoid showing you the customer's information. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll up here a little bit. I'm going to refresh. Okay, because you gotta refresh, right? Oh, see, I logged out. So let's log us back in. Hopefully this is my password. Password is saved. Okay. All right, cool. And we're back in there. All right. $101. Just like that. And if you look over here, here's a contact list of all the individuals that are interested in these sorts of products, programs, and services. Okay, literally thousands upon thousands of what we call contacts. So down here is 9,000, 9,000, 9,000, 9,000, actually almost 10,000 each. So that's about 50,000 contacts right there. Scroll up, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So every single day I'm able to send them all messages, and when we find the right people who say, yeah, hey, heck yeah, I'm interested, man, and they get started, they buy the product, programs, and services, and we get paid directly straight to our PayPal accounts.
All right, cool, very simple, very simple. There's nothing complicated about what I do, nothing at all, but you still gotta be willing to learn the information. You still gotta be able to get in the game and say, you know what, I'm serious, and I'm gonna focus on making this thing happen, right? You gotta work at it every single day. And I wanna coach you. I definitely wanna work hand in hand with you. So right below this video, you can go ahead, there's a few links that you can get into them with the opportunity, get more information, get started, and then we can go from there. You'll be able to get in contact with me through all my social media profiles, my email, however you need to contact me, contact me. My blog is mikereedypro.com. You can reach me over there, and we can chat it up. We can get on the phone. I don't mind getting on the phone and talk with people because I'm a real person and I'll be able to create real income online. So I look forward to hearing from you and talking with you and working with you soon. It's your boy Mike Williams, MikeWilliamsPro.com. Peace.
Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm gonna show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing.